Hi, I'm going to demonstrate you uh, how to do this exercise number 4, the average and grade. What we have to do is uh, write a program that asks the user to enter 5 test scores, and the program should display a letter grade of each score and the average test score. Write the following functions in the program. Calc average. This function should accept 5 test scores as arguments and return the average of the scores. The second function would be determine grade. This function should accept a test score as an argument and return a letter grade for the each score based on the following grade scales. These are the grading scale. Okay, let's start. First, I'm going to define the calc average function. This is the calc average function. It should have 5 arguments: score 1, score 2, score 3, score 4, and score 5. What we have to do within this function is calculating the average of these 5 scores. So I define variable called average. It should equal to summation of these 5 arguments minus 5, and then we have to divide it by 5 because there are 5 scores, 5 subjects, and it should return the average value. Alright, let's make some comments on this function, what it is doing. This is the calc average function. Will accept 5 arguments and it's calculating average and will return the average. Alright, now I'm moving to second function. Second function would be determine grade function. Could accept test score as an argument, then I'm using if statement to determine the grades. If the test score less than 60. It would return grade letter F. According to the scales, grading scales, if test score less than 70 to return D. Right, I'm going to copy this. The score less than 80, then rating would be C. The score less than 90, rating score will be B. And this score less than or equal 100, rating would be A. Right. Let's add some comment on this function, what it's going to be done. This is the function name. And it's accept test score as an argument, right? And it's determine the ratings and use statement to determine the grades, and will return the grades, grade letter, actually grade letter. Alright, second function also done. Now I'm going to define another function called get values function. This function is to get scores from the user. So I'm using input this one, score on variable integer type, input, please enter score 1, Alright, for your these need. Oh, alright, score 2, score 3, score 4, score 5. Alright, what are we going from this is we are going to get values from user using input. Data type is integer and it will store in these variables s1, s2, s3, s4 and s5. And it would return all these values 1, 2, 3, s4 and s5. Right, let's make some comment on this function. Get values function is to getting values from user and it will store into variables. And this function also returning these values. Alright, now I'm going to define my main function. I'm going to get those values into variables s1, s2, s3, s4 and s5. I'm going to getting that input values to main function. Yes, I'm going to call get values function. And I'm going to pass these values to another function called show function. This is my main function. What is basically going to do? Accept values from get value function and pass them into show function. Alright, now I'm going to define show function. It would have 5 arguments: score 1, score 2, score 3, and score 5. Alright, I'm going to display those values using this function. First I would like to create some format using print. Concatenate this is just for formatting, display formatting. Right, subject, great. Now I'm going to print subject one concatenate. Here I'm calling determine grade function. This function and passing is one value to it. Alright, I need four more of these. 3, 4, 5. Subject 2, subject 3, subject 4, oops, and subject 5. I'm going to pass score 2, score 3, score 4, and score 5 to determine grade function to get the grading letter. Alright, then you have to show the average as well. This is just for formatting. I'm going to print average score equal concatenate. Here I'm going to call calc average function. and passing all 5 scores, and to concatenate I would make this integer data to string, so I'm using str to convert them to string. Alright, now I'm going to call main function. Here, main. Alright, before run the program we should make. Alright, before run the program, let me add some comment here and recheck the codes. This is my show function. And it getting grading scale, grade from determine function, determine grade function actually. Function, alright, and I would say calling, and it's getting average from calling calc average function. And it display the values. Let's check. The score 5 is missing, and I'm adding it. And this one should be C, calc average function. And yeah, we have to add colon here. Right, I'm hoping this code will run. Enter score 1, 42, 95, 88, 72, and 65. Let's see what's happening. Right, subject 1 below 60 and it's up here. F, subject 2 95 and it's A, and subject 3 it's 88 and it's B, subject 4 it's C, 72 and C, and subject 5 65 and it's D, and the average score is 72.4. Alright, thank you very much.